Staying dry. It is wet out there. Good morning. My name is Sheila Smith, and I am with Sheeta's Loans, powered by Mortgage Ride. My NMLS number is 1184223, and I am your home mortgage expert here located in Las Vegas. So if you are brand new to listening to my show, a little bit about myself. I have been officially in the industry since 2003, so it's going on 17 years that I have been in the mortgage or real estate profession or field. Even though I've been raised my entire life in this industry, this is something that I love to do. It's the only profession I have ever been in. And what I do is I get people pre-approved and approved for home loan financing. So what I do again, anytime you are looking to either purchase a home, which by the way, anytime you're looking to purchase a home, the first step to home ownership is to get pre-approved by a mortgage professional. So that is where I come in at. So you might be looking on the different websites like Zillow and Realtor.com, and you are dreaming and you're looking, you're saying, hey, I think this home would be perfect for me and my family. The first step into getting into that home is to get pre-approved, and that's where I come in at. Also, for people who own a home, if you currently own a home, I am here to help you with all of your refinancing options. So that is what I do. A mortgage professional, everyone. We are not a realtor, so we're not the one that takes you out to go see a home, negotiates a contract, or anything like that. That is a realtor or a real estate broker. What I do is the first step, and I get you pre-approved so that for financing, so that you can obtain a home. My number is 702-449-3922. Once again, it's 702-449-3922, and I am your home mortgage expert here, especially here in Las Vegas. I take appointments all the time. Some people prefer to do the initial consultation over the phone. Some people prefer to do a one-on-one face-to-face appointment. It's whatever you prefer. I am here to help. So a couple of interesting things that has happened over the last month or so. One thing that happened right before Halloween, the federal government cut rates by a quarter point. So what does that mean to someone right now that currently owns a home? You can reduce your monthly mortgage payment and you can see a huge savings. So I kind of have an example. This time last year, so November of 2018, the average interest rate was at 4.6%. So what that means is if you would have obtained a home, let's say you had a home loan, and we're just going to use a figure of $200,000. If you obtained a home mortgage for $200,000, and we're just looking at what your mortgage principal and interest payment would be. So I'm not factoring taxes or anything like that, but just the mortgage payment alone last year on an average interest rate of 4.6%, which is what people the average percentage that people obtained last year, your mortgage principal and interest would have been $1,030 roughly. Now, that same interest rate, 4.6 from November 2018, has dropped down to close to 4%. So what does that mean? So we're going to take that same example. If you had obtained a mortgage loan of $200,000, and again, remember we're just looking at the principal and interest payment only. From it being reduced from what it was last year at 4.6% to now at 4%, your mortgage payment would be $955. So remember, this time last year, the average interest rate was at 4.6%, and we're using the average, we're using a home loan value of about $200,000. Your principal and interest payment would have been about $1,030. That same payment, along with because of the different interest rates, that we had a bunch of different, interest rates have been reduced, and they actually have been reduced 3 times this year. The average interest rate is at 4%, and that same payment of $1,030 from last year would be about $955. So that is about a savings of $75 a month. Now, of course, anytime you are getting quoted an interest rate, it's based upon your credit score as well as how much equity you have in your home. So your payment could possibly be higher or lower, or your interest rate could possibly be higher or lower, but I'm just using the average of what you can expect an interest rate to be right now. So what does that mean to someone who currently owns a home? It might be time for you to possibly refinance. And we are here at Sheila's Loans. Give us a call. It's 702-449-3922. Once again, it's 702-449-3922. We are here to give you one, information, and to two, discuss your home loan scenario to see if refinancing is right for you. So there are a couple of different types of refinancing options. One, which is extremely popular, is called a rate and term refinance. So what does that mean? It means that you are just looking to not take out any cash, but instead you're looking to just reduce your mortgage payment along with possibly your interest rate. So what that means is a lot of people out here, you might have mortgage insurance. Look on your mortgage statement and see if you have mortgage insurance. If you have mortgage insurance and if you have received an FHA loan, so for all of our homeowners, if you are currently in an FHA loan and you obtain that FHA loan after July 3rd of 2013, chances are you have mortgage insurance, and your mortgage insurance is going to be required for the lifetime of the loan. So anytime, again, if you obtained a mortgage loan after July 3rd of 2013, and if you put less than 10% down on an FHA loan, there is a requirement that mortgage insurance is required for the lifetime of the loan. Now, prior to that, it was changed and you could actually get rid of your mortgage insurance, but it is not like that right now, and it's not like that anymore as well. So in order to get rid of that mortgage insurance and you stop throwing away those dollars and giving it to a lender, and you don't even need that mortgage insurance, think about the savings that you can possibly have. Think about that additional money that you are paying in mortgage insurance every single month that you can go ahead and you can put back into your own pocket. Give us a call. My name is Sheila Smith and I'm with Sheila's Loans. My number is 702-449-3922. Once again, it's 702-449-3922. We would do a free mortgage review, and what we would do is we would tell you if refinancing is right for you. And again, because of the different, the values rising here in Las Vegas, it might be time and you might be eligible to get rid of your mortgage insurance altogether. So again, give us a call, 702-449-3922. Once again, it's 702-449-3922. It takes less than 20 minutes to tell you what your options are. And if you just happen to be in a really good loan, I have told people in the past, you know what, you are in a good mortgage loan. I would not suggest, based upon what you are trying to achieve, refinancing. It might make sense to go ahead and get a home equity line of credit instead. Or it might make sense, you might just be in a really good position and it might make sense for you just to go ahead and keep the current loan that you have. But you will not know that unless you speak with a mortgage professional like myself that can give you the advice, tell you where interest rates are at right now, and let you know what you are qualified for. So again, if you do have an FHA loan, you might be in a really good position to get rid of that monthly mortgage insurance that you are paying every single month. So what is mortgage insurance and why is it required? What happens is anytime you put less than 20% down on your home when you buy it, you are required to have mortgage insurance. And what that mortgage insurance does is that it acts as a protection to the lender in the event that you default on your home loan. So if your home ever goes into foreclosure, that mortgage insurance that you're paying every single month will pay the lender the amount that was defaulted on. So that's the reason why it's required, and mortgage lenders require it if you put less than 20% down. So again, you might have that equity in your home and it might be time for you to go ahead and refinance and get out of that mortgage insurance. We are here to help. When you refinance your home, you do not have to restart to a 30-year loan. That is one of the questions that I get all the time. I get, Sheila, I would like to go ahead and refinance. However, I don't want to do it because I've already been in my home, let's say, for 5 years. If you've been in your home for 5 years, you do not have to go automatically and get another 30-year loan. You can absolutely get a loan based upon where you are at right now. And what we do here at Sheila's Loans, we go over your overall housing goals to decide what is best for you. It might make sense based upon your needs and what you and your family would like to accomplish. You might say, hey, Sheila, you know what? This is not going to be my forever home, so I would like to go ahead and refinance so I can take advantage of the lowest payment possible. Then resetting to a 30-year loan might be right for you. Or you might say, hey, you know what? This is our home. This is the home that we are going to retire in, and we want to, during retirement, eventually have our home paid off. So we do not want to reset to a 30-year loan. That is an option as well. Give us a call, 702-449-3922. Once again, it's 702-449-3922. And if you currently have a VA loan, and you are interested in reducing your interest rate, 9 times out of 10, an appraisal is not required to do that. So that means that the process is easy and streamlined. So again, if you are if you currently are active military, or if you are a vet that has a VA loan and you are interested in reducing your interest rate, this is something that I just did a couple of times recently with some of our clients. They basically said, hey, you know what, Sheila, I bought my home a couple of years ago, and I am now interested in seeing if I qualify for a lower interest rate. And because rates have been cut, rates have dropped 3 times, people, in 2019 alone. So people have been taking advantage of just reducing their payment. And again, if you currently have a VA loan and you are interested in possibly refinancing your home, 9 times out of 10, an appraisal is not needed. So the process is really quick and easy. Our number is 702-449-3922. Once again, it's 702-449-3922. I will be personally calling everyone back after the show. So please leave a message, leave your information, and I will get back to you. Or if you are not in a position to call right now, let's say you are at work, send us a text message. Send us a text message letting us know what your mortgage related question is and how we can help and the best time to get back to you. So for everyone that has a conventional loan, so let's say if you don't have an FHA loan, so you don't have, let's say you don't have a FHA loan, you don't have a VA loan, but you are in a regular conventional loan, and you may or may not have mortgage insurance with that conventional loan. Again, you can still take advantage of the savings as well and reduce your interest rate. It takes less than 20 minutes for us to tell you if you qualify, and in order to do that, it just starts with a simple phone call. The phone call is and the number is 702-449-3922. Once again, it's 702-449-3922. Again, please take advantage of the savings and all of the different cuts that have been going on. And I'm going to give you a little bit of information later on historically where rates were starting from the 80s all the way to right now, so that you can see how high interest rates were at one time and where they fall at right now. Also, if you are someone who is interested, if you are someone who's interested in getting out of your current adjustable rate mortgage, there are a lot of people who still have those, and they're looking at their mortgage payment every single month, and it changes. Well, if it is changing and you are looking to go from that adjustable rate mortgage and have something fixed so you know that it is guaranteed for the lifetime of the loan and it could never go up on you, this is something that we can do as well. Our number again is 702-449-3922. Once again, it's 702-449-3922. So please take advantage of all of the different cuts that the federal government has made as it relates to interest rates, because it could truly be a benefit for you. So just a little mortgage history. Mortgage rates in the early 80s were at about 18%. In the 90s, mortgage interest rates were anywhere from 6.5% to 10.5%. Mortgage rates in the early 2000s were around 6%. And in November of 2012, when the market bottomed out, rates were just over 3.5%. So since then, since November of 2012, because of the economic growth rate, rates have went up. It has went up some, and as I was saying now, November of 2019, the average interest rate is around 4%. So again, take advantage, because this time last year, as I stated before, rates were at about 4.6%. It has dropped to about 4%. So because of that, rates are still at an all-time low. Please take advantage. If you are interested, or if you've even thought about refinancing and you want to see if this is something right for you, give us a call, 702-449-3922. Once again, it's 702-449-3922. It takes about 20 minutes for us to give you your different options. And again, it just starts with a phone call. Now, the next type of refinance that has been extremely popular lately is the cash out refinance. And why are the cash out refinances so popular right now? People are taking advantage of their home, and how much it has appreciated, along with the interest rate reduction. So what that means to someone who currently owns a home, who's looking to take cash out of their home, and when I say cash out, you're basically taking the equity out of your home. Low interest rates means a low payment for you. And when you have a home that is appreciated and it has appreciated, you have equity in your home. So that is your money. And people are pulling out that equity, which is their money, to do a bunch of amazing things. And the biggest one is to eliminate debt. We have people that are paying off auto loans, they're paying off credit card debt, they're paying off student loans, personal loans. They're doing this because they are looking at they're looking at their credit cards, they're seeing the interest rate that's being charged. How many of us wish we have a car loan and we wish we would have never gotten that car loan? They're getting rid of that auto loan. And if you really think about it, take out your credit card statements, take out your auto loan statements, or any other loans that you have. Look at how long it would take you to pay them off if you just paid the minimum payment, or how long it would take you to pay those different items off if you pay the amount that you are currently paying every single month. There are some people that do pay a little bit more than the minimum, but I know that we all wish that we can be debt free and not have those credit cards, or not have those auto loans or different personal loans that we have. And that is something that a cash out refinance can help you with. Our number is 702-449-3922. Once again, it's 702-449-3922. How nice would it be to not have any bills besides your mortgage payment and your normal household bills, but you do not have to worry about auto payments, car payments, all of those different things. You can go ahead and do this, especially with this being the end of the year. I know once we get towards the end of the year, we start prioritizing and thinking about next year's goals. And one of the goals that a lot of people would like to do, the majority of us want to do, is 1, how can we save more money? 2, how can we eliminate more debt and put ourselves in a better financial position? And we can help you with that at Sheila's Loans. Again, our number is 702-449-3922. Once again, it's 702-449-3922. We also have people that are using the cash in their home, the equity in their home, to get repairs done on their home. We have people who are pulling that cash out to build an emergency fund, have a little nest egg, build that savings account so that they can have those liquid funds available whenever they need to. That is something that a cash out refinance can do for you. So again, I can't stress enough, right before Halloween time, the federal government, they went ahead and they lowered the rates for the third time in 2019. Now, in 2018, the federal government did think that interest rates would continue, but it actually didn't continue to go up, to increase, but it didn't in 2019. And I gave you already a mortgage example or mortgage history on how rates go from the early 80s to where it is right now. So don't sit on this information. Actually take action and give us a call so that we can help you with your financial goals. Again, my number is 702-449-3922. Once again, it's 702-449-3922. I've had people give me a call and they have certain questions or certain concerns. Some people say, hey, you know what, I've had a mortgage late before. As long as you do not have more than one mortgage late in the past 12 months, we can possibly help you. I have people who said I filed bankruptcy in the past as well. Depending on what type of bankruptcy you have and when it was discharged, you might be eligible, especially if you had a bankruptcy that was discharged from longer than 2 years from to date. So do not let that stop you. I have people who say I used a down payment assistance program to buy my home. Well, depending on what the guidelines are, you might be eligible to go ahead and refinance without having that penalty to pay back that down payment assistance that you received when you purchased your home. I have people who say, I have recently changed jobs. That is fine. I have people who say, I have student loan debt. Don't let those different things stop you. And then the main one, and one thing that people do say all the time is that, you know what, I had a very bad experience in the past trying to obtain a home loan. It was stressful. The customer service wasn't bad. We are here to help you and to walk you through the process and also to educate. So that is what I try to do every Wednesday as I talk to my listener. But if you are a client, we go over your loan options in detail. We go over what your overall financial goal is pertaining to your home, and we get you there and we tell you your different options. Again, my name is Sheila Smith, and if you are interested in getting a mortgage review, it takes about 20 minutes of your time. It is free. It is something that we can start over the phone or we can do in person. My number is 702-449-3922. Once again, it's 702-449-3922. I am located off of the Summerlin Parkway in Town Center, and I'm here to help you. And then also, if you would like to follow us on social media, please follow us and look up Sheeta's Loans. And if you are someone who's interested in being informed about any events that we have, send us an email to hello@sheetasloans.com. Again, it's hello@sheetasloans.com. So just a quick recap. My time is almost up, but remember, interest rates are at an all-time low. Please take advantage. If you are someone who currently owns a home, you want to see if refinancing is right for you. It could just be that, hey, you want to go ahead and lower your monthly mortgage payment. We can help you with that. Remember, you do not have to reset your mortgage term and go to a 30-year loan. So if you've been in your home for 5 or 10 years, you can obtain a mortgage loan for 25 years or 20 years or even 15 and 10. So you do not have to restart to a 30-year loan. And do not let any past experiences or any past difficulty that you may have had stop you from giving us a call. We have seen every single scenario. I have been in different situations as well. I'm human, so I want to be there to help you, and I want to tell you, hey, if it's a situation I've previously been in, how I got out of it. So again, we are here to help, especially here on 88.1. We have so many different amazing talk show hosts. One is Your Insurance Connection with Donald Marquez. You can hear him every Tuesday from 9 9:30 to 10. And also, if you have homeowners insurance and you want to see if you qualify for a lower rate or if you are properly covered, listen to him, or you can give me a call, 702-449-3922, and I will give you his information. Until next time, always stay in the winner's circle, grind to shine. I'm here every Wednesday from 10 to 10:30, everyone. Thank you so much for listening.